The house, the space, ever since 1960 until today, it's a bodega or a
kaya.
warehouse. This is the original 1730 entrance. And by the way, this is Don Luis Alvarez, the second owner of the house.
So dito sa bahay na to makikita natin kung kailan talaga itinayo ang bahay.
Yes!
Ano? Tibay.
Preserve as in,
Oh,
matibay.
hindi tinipid, no? Yung budget noon. Okay, magandang umaga sa inyo mga ka-YouTubero. Ngayon ay December 8, 2025. Nagbabalik na naman tayo dito sa Cebu City, ano. So dumating ako rito sa Cebu ng alas 9. Then nagpahinga lang ako, tapos ngayon naman, daan muna tayo ng simbahan bago ako mag-lunch kasi nagugutom na ako.
My soul, the example of the Blessed Virgin Mary speaks to us loudly that we need to be full of faith. We need to humble down before God.
Okay, so yan yung Heritage of Cebu Monument. Tapos ito yung Mabini Street, Yap San Diego Ancestral House, andito lang. Tapos ito yung Suluetay Street. Yan. Kung saan naroon ang Jesuit House. Ito yung isa sa mga lumang bahay na makikita dito sa Cebu City. Ang Jesuit House. Itinayo 1730. Ayan. Okay mga kaisibero. So kung makikita nyo yung bahay, ano? Parang walang lumang bahay dito. Pero yung dito sa labas, ano dito? Ano to?
Actually po, a short na background ng bahay. The first owners were like Jesuits. So they were here mga 1730. However, they abandoned the place mga around 1768. During that time, they were expelled to Spain.
Oo.
After them, the Spanish family, particularly the Alvarez,
Yeah.
they bought the house and stayed here for a long time, but abandoned again
Oo.
kasi World War II at that time.
Oo nga, word, yes.
So after them, like a Chinese family, especially the C family, they bought the house kasi yung purpose nila pang bodega. Since
kaya
their
may
family,
ganito.
since their family owns hardware na business,
Okay.
which makes the house, the space, ever since 1960 until today, it's a bodega or a
kaya
warehouse.
pinagpatuloy pa rin nila, no?
Oh, until now, sir, it's working as a bodega. The outside part.
Oo, and then they turned this house into a museum naman na, no?
Pero it's very funny kasi it was only converted into a museum kasi yung eldest ng Chinese family, he studied in Ateneo de Manila. So, that's a school na founded pa rin ng mga Jesuits. So,
okay.
they have the record of the house dun sa Ateneo de Manila. So, after Sir Jimmy knew about the history of the house, when he stayed there in Ateneo de Manila, that's also the same moment na it lit a fire in his heart to restore everything and then convert it into a museum.
Ayun. Kasi
So,
ang laki
yeah.
ng ng aral na may bibigay ng
As
Jesuit
in.
House. Yes.
And then, aside from that is yung stone walls dito, yung column, and even yung tisa roof, everything is 1730, which is 295 years old.
Grabe, no?
Very firm,
So
especially...
ito yung oldest talaga dito sa Cebu, ano?
Yeah. Actually, it's considered as the oldest dated house.
Okay.
Oldest dated house. And then, yung pati rin columns, everything here,
Ito.
1730 din to. For the owner, it's actually total 33. Then, yeah. Tapos, welcome to our first spot. We call it the Sugbo Gallery.
Sugbo Gallery, okay.
Tapos, to commemorate yung old name ng Cebu,
Oo,
which
okay.
is Sugbo.
Okay,
Oo.
ano ito?
By the way, this is the Parian district.
Okay.
And then, way back before. And then, this is where we are. In the Jesuit house. Tapos, before, it used to have actually a watchtower.
Before.
Oo, but then, during sa World War II, they have to demolish it, especially the Alvarez.
Oo.
Kasi para sa kanila, it's seen as a threat during World War.
Oo.
But don't worry, later on, we will see the spot, no?
So, ito yung sa main road. Doon tayo pumasok sa lugar na yun, no?
Doon tayo. And actually, kanina is actually the back portion of the house already.
Back portion.
Tapos later on, I will let you see the original entrance as well.
Sige, sige.
But by the way, before we go, we have here mga items.
Mga
It's
artifacts.
actually excavated here.
Nahukay nila.
Nahukay nila. A lot of them pots, shells, and even we have a lot of porcelain.
May
Mga
porcelain
Chinese
pa.
ceramics. And all of them are older than the house.
Oh.
Kasi before the establishment of the house, the Chinese were already here.
Oo nga.
So yeah, we have ceremonial
Nice, no?
teacups. Tapos ito yung mga proof at that time, mga
Na ini-excavate nila.
documentations.
Yes, yung mga ano kasi, mga columns.
Mga
Hinukay.
columns. Hinukay
Para
nila.
tibayin. Ito, mga to.
They have to cut the lower portion as well. Oo.
Kaya doon nila nakuha yung mga ano,
Mga items
mga
din.
items
oo.
na yan, no?
And then that's Sugbo Gallery. This time, let's move to the second spot. We call it the Jesuit Gallery. And actually, dito mo makikita every history ng mga Jesuits, the founders, co-founders, and even their missionary works. Meron silang mga missionary works, particularly dito. And yeah, feel free to take
Yes.
please feel free to roam around as well. They have missionary works. Especially they have missionary works in Mindanao as well, mga tribes, even here in Cebu as well.
Ito, eskwelahan naman ito.
Oh.
Nice, no? Ang galing naman, may mga photo kayo nito.
Yeah, may mga photos pa din. And then, this is more on like mga about Matthew Ricci. So, Jesuit pa din siya. Tapos, more on like sa China, yung missionary work.
Yes. Oh.
And by the way, they're very active until today, the Jesuits. Some of them, they visit the place.
Okay, that's good.
Ang iba is mga students from Ateneo. So, they always come and
They
visit
travel
the
pa all the way.
place.
From Manila din, no?
A lot
Meron
of
din.
them. Meron from Cagayan, from
Galing.
Davao, Ateneo de Davao. And also, Ateneo de Manila, we have a lot. A lot of visitors. And this is Jesuit Gallery. This time, I would let you see the original entrance. And actually, this is the original 1730 entrance. And then, which makes yung kanina is the back portion of the
Yung
house.
dinaanan natin.
Oo, the back
Oo.
portion.
So, ito yung main talaga.
Main talaga na
main
entrance.
ng bahay.
Oo. Tapos before actually yung area doon sa bodega is actually a garden. Tapos yung may coffee shop na area is the
Oo.
courtyard. As in very spacious yung back portion.
Oo. Pero ito, inaayos nyo na lang siya, no?
Yes, under renovation din yung spot.
Galing, oh.
Tapos may actually Jesuit seal dyan sa harap.
Ngayon, oh. Kaya lang, hindi ko masyadong
Jesuit
talpo
seal
yun.
sa harap.
Oo nga.
Tapos yung walls dito is very matibay, made of pure corals actually. Pure corals.
Nice.
Tapos from here, makikita mo yung like how thick the wall is dito.
Oo nga, no? Wow. So, ito yung ulitin lang uli natin. This used to be the main entrance. Di ba? Pero syempre, hindi nyo na ito gagawin uling main entrance. Kasi may bakod na dito
especially may ano pa din, like under renovations pa
Oo
din.
nga, yeah.
And tapos kanina actually, it's also advantage on that area. Especially bodega, so mas fast yung delivery doon na part.
Oo. Kumusta naman ito nung nakaraang bagyo?
Yeah, actually, it survived a lot during September 30, yung lindol.
Oo nga, yung lindol.
It survived. And then, yung pagbagyo din.
Pagbaha.
Pagbaha as in, grabe.
Pero wala
Yung
namang
first
nasila. Wala naman.
Wala. So
Okay.
far, sa lang, like yung glass lang galing trade during sa
Oo.
lindol. But everything here is as is. Oo.
tibay.
Preserve as in,
Oh,
matibay.
hindi tinipid, no? Yung budget noon.
But like, grabe yung nila.
Yeah.
Invest sa bahay.
Oo.
And by the way, welcome sa second floor. Yung floor dito is original din.
Original
na
din ito.
1730.
Wow.
Tapos yung ginamit na material is Molave. Ito, grabe ang tibay.
Molave.
Oo, Molave tree. And then, actually, we can go here,
A weekend? Okay.
inside the room.
This bedroom.
Oo, a lot of the memories here, or yung makikita nating pictures are from the Alvarez na family.
Alvarez.
The Alvarez.
Ay, ito sila. Where they from pala? Dito talaga sa Cebu, no?
Actually,
Originally?
some of them are like from Spain talaga.
Ah, okay.
Pero yung nakabili ng bahay na si Don Luis Alvarez, ano na siya, like mistizo.
Mistizo na.
Half Spanyol, half Pinoy na din. Tapos they're also very, they're
Punta ka
still
na-
visiting the
Oo.
place.
Tres Lunas.
Yeah, correct. Yes, that's
Pero may
tres.
dalawang klase, wala lang, ina-add ko lang
Oo,
may
oo.
dalawang klase kasing Tres Lunas. May pambabae, may panlalaki.
Correct.
Eto,
Oo.
panlalaki. You know why panlalaki? Kasi meron siyang patungan ng paa. Pwede ko ba siyang
Yeah, feel free.
Ayan
feel
o.
free.
That's the patungan of paa, meaning this is for male.
For,
Oo.
and then
Galing.
also we have ceramic arenola.
Ayaw nga Arinola, yes.
And then water as well na jug. Pang-wash ng face.
Face nila. Kasi hindi naman sila talaga naliligo
Yes.
araw-araw during that time. Hindi pa mainit.
Oh, hindi pa ganong mainit.
Lagi.
So. And by the way, we have here birthing chair.
Birthing
Oh,
chair.
panganakan.
Panganakan.
So far, this is our only
Parang ang
birthing
liit
chair.
naman yan.
Oo, pero ginamit nila before.
Butaka, no?
Oo.
That's the other term.
Tapos here, actually yung original dito is, this is an atay bed. Yung original dito is ginamit talaga na deathbed. Oo. But right now, it's like,
Reproduction.
replica na lang na
Yeah, replica, yes.
original talaga na atay bed. As well, we have mga luggage.
Ganda ng copy nila, no?
Tapos from here, this is house A actually. Makikita mo dito lahat ng memories, mga pictures ng mga Alvarez.
Pictures ng mga Alvarez.
Tapos if you know Inca Magnay, she is related sa Alvarez family.
Oh.
And by the way, this is Don Luis Alvarez.
Don Luis Alvarez.
Siya talaga yung nagbili ng bahay. The second owner of the house. Tapos the rest is like mga granddaughters,
Oo.
daughters.
Siya na yung second owner.
Second owner na. After the Jesuits. And then we can...
Dito naman tayo. Ito naman,
By the way, here, dito namin nilagay every collections namin. Pero ito ay collections na ng mga owners.
oo.
Like, especially the current, si Sir Jimmy. We have here different generations of camera, typewriters, and as well as telephones. Tapos we have jukebox at the back.
Ayaw nga, no?
We have
The
jukebox.
jukebox.
Pwede tayong, we can take a closer look.
Everything is original. Everything are original. Ito, jukebox.
Jukebox.
Mga 19 ano yan?
1900s na din. Kasi some of the songs are already familiar.
I
Meron na
see.
ning, Carol.
Really? Meron sila noon?
Meron ng Carol.
May Feliz
Carol.
Navidad?
Tapos meron na silang One Last Cry. Which is...
Oo nga. One Last Cry.
I will
All for
always,
Love.
all this time, Can't Stop a Heartbeat. So yung mga songs dito is
Naabutan mo ba yung mga yan?
mga songs na ni Lolo. Like everyday na pinaparinig.
Pinapatugtog, oo.
Pinapatugtog ni Lolo, oo. At least some of the songs familiar na din, oo.
Pero lahat ba ng gamit dito ay gamit ng Alvarez?
Yeah, actually, especially sa second floor, not all of them are for the Alvarez. Some
Okay.
are already mga add-on collections na,
Oo,
collection ng
add-on na lang.
current,
Yeah.
collection ng current owner.
Okay. Ang laki ng butaka na to. Ito ang butaka talaga.
By the way, that chair is like, for relaxing na lang na chair.
For relaxing na lang.
Pero para siyang
Siyempre.
parang panganakan ng design.
Oo. Ang laki. Okay. So dito sa bahay na to makikita natin kung kailan talaga itinayo ang bahay.
Yes!
Ano?
Right now, before we
Ayun.
go sa House B, we have that seal. It's very important kasi that's a proof na yung bahay talagang from 1730.
Yes.
Anyo is year.
Year.
So, year 1730.
30. Diba? Hindi nila binura yan. Siyempre, ano yan eh.
Hopefully,
Kumbaga-
ma-preserve pa din.
Oo. Diba?
And that's entirely House A. And by the way, this is House B na part.
Ito naman yung House B. Ang laki ng bahay ah.
As in, malaki. Very spacious.
Oo.
And then, we have here the dining room area.
Oh, may dining room pa sila.
Tapos, actually, previously, it's the demolished watchtower.
Dito yon.
Dito yun na spot.
I
And then,
see.
the one na nag-convert into dining room is the third family. By the way, this is the third family.
Sila na yung
The C family. And they have also mga items like old cash register,
Oo nga.
Siopaw steamer.
Siopaw steamer.
Uh,
Nice.
Siopaw steamer. And then, also, let's not forget the kitchen. Filipino
Dito yung
traditional
tower. May tower pala ito noon.
kitchen.
I didn't know.
Before,
Ito yung
tapos,
kitchen ninyo.
na-demolish. Yeah, we have
Kitchen
the
nila
kitchen.
noon.
And then, we have items here as well. Ice crusher for halo-halo.
Halo-halo, yes. May weighing scale dito.
Hindi. Coffee grinder din.
Meron din?
We have
yeah,
coffee
so,
grinder. We have coffee grinder. And the rest is mga storage, mga jug na for water. We have a lot of jug. Tapos mga pots din, daabuhan set up.
Siyempre, ito yung memorable sa atin, no? Pagluluto sa kahoy, no?
Daabuhan set up as well.
Oo. Nice, nami-maintain nyo yung bahay,
Yeah.
No? Nami-maintain ng mga owner, no?
Oo, na-preserve din. Thankfully.
Laki nito. So dito wala na dito. Part na ng kitchen yan.
Part na ng kitchen. Tapos we have also the comfort room on that side.
Pero lumang comfort room?
Hindi na.
Hindi na,
Like,
bago na.
From the family na.
From the family now.
Like same year ng pagka-build ng
Oo.
spot. Like convert into dining room.
Okay.
And by the way, this is the azotea part.
Azotea.
Naging living room ng mga Jesuits before. And then we have here, dito actually, the bodega part.
Yan na.
Actually, that's a garden before. Spacious. Tapos yung may coffee shop na area and even dito na spot is actually courtyard. So,
Oo.
grabe mahangin talaga before.
Nice. Diba, nakakatuwa naman itong bahay nito. Ito daw yung mismong azotea.
And this time, actually, I would love to share to you yung item here na working pa until today.
Na ginamit nila before.
Na ginamit nila. Especially, we have here oldest namin na typewriter so far.
Elsie Smith and
Oo.
Bros.
And then,
And brothers.
oldest colored TV that we have. Sony pa.
Oo nga, no.
Colored na. And then, oldest radio din. One of the oldest radio collection.
Wow. Sino yung mga nasa photo?
Actually, still the Alvarez. The Alvarez
Alvarez pa
family.
rin.
Tapos, actually, dito na space before, office to ni Don Luis Alvarez. And then, this is actually a GE brand na fan. And it's
GE.
still working.
Mga 19 ano yan?
Mga 1950 or 1960
Okay,
na.
mga ganun
Mga
na.
first ever din.
Ayun lang maingay.
Maingay din.
Gano'n naman talaga no?
Tapos yung blade niya is metal as well.
Metal. Naku, hindi pwede
Everything
ilapit.
is metal.
Hindi pwede sa mga bata yan,
Scary
no?
to use.
Oo.
It could cut a finger.
Pero it's good na nakikita natin gumagana pa rin.
As in, thankfully na gumagana pa din.
Yeah. Sige,
Na ako
patayin.
na-understand na bakit plastic yung mga fan today.
Alam mo na.
Para hindi makakat ng
Oo.
finger. Especially for kids.
Yes.
Tapos, before we end, actually, we have one spot. It's soon to open pa. But I would love to show it to you.
Pero hindi pa tayo bababa, no?
We have here, dito namin nilagay every like mga ceramics na collection na nakuha pa din dito. Oo, na-excavate pa rin dito.
Pero hindi pa to open.
Yeah. But we allow some of the visitors to take a look.
Here.
By the way, dito namin nilagay yung mga ceramics din, a lot of the porcelain, mga 1500s
Na
pa din,
nakuha.
na nakuha dito, sa mismong spot dito. And meron din kaming sample ng excavation site.
Sa tingin mo, yung mga nakabaon na yan dyan after World War or before World War pa?
Actually, mga ano pa yan, 1530. Oo, 1530.
O kasi malalaman nila, no?
Oo,
Sa
600.
study.
And the
Oo nga,
one na
1580.
the one who examined it is a ceramic specialist from China.
Oo nga, may mga number. Galing
May
ng mga ano, no? Ang galing ng mga
Tapos-
nag-aaral ng mga ganito.
Yeah, at we have to submit it also to China.
Yeah. Okay.
Yung talagang specialist sa
To
ceramic.
confirm na yun
To
yung
confirm
taon.
what year.
Oo.
But actually, that is much older. Mas older pa to sa bahay.
Wow.
1530, 1640.
Galing, no? So amazing.
And then also, we have like one-off, kasi na-excavate din naman lahat, one-off excavation site namin.
Oh, here?
Oo, dito.
Oo nga. Bakit siya inuhukay ulit? To make it, matibay yung pundasyon.
Especially yung lower portion niya.
Oo.
And then, thankfully, during sa excavation nila, they have identified actually a lot of items.
Oo, syempre, oo.
And then, yeah, feel free to,
Pwede ako lumapit, ah.
Oh, yeah, pwede.
Oh, here. Di ba? Kailangan talaga nilang hukayin kasi yung yung kahoy na yan, kailangan nilang sementohin dahil marupok na. Para mas mag-last yung kahoy. Especially yung mga pundasyon.
And actually, they have to cut the lower portion.
Ito na yun no? Yung
Oo,
pinagputulan.
mga lower portion. Kasi kinain na din ng river. Hindi kinain ng anay.
River na sa Katagalan.
Oo, sa ilalim. But still, as
Pero
in
ano
very,
na to, parang bato na yata ito. mga
very
to.
firm pa din.
Yeah.
Even yung lower portion. Tapos, after nila na cut yung lower portion, nilagyan na nila ng semento.
Semento, yes. Para mas...
Pero sa second floor kanina is ano talaga? Same na ganun pa din. And by the way, we have also here the ceramic production process, tapos mga maps kung saan or where the ceramic came from.
Galing ng mga nagbuo nito. This is di ba? Private museum ito, di ba? Hindi siya under ng local, no?
Private museum. This is the last part of our tour and I hope you like it, sir. And this time is feel free to go back sa mga spaces as well.
Pwede ako. So,
The 1730 Jesuit House Museum, we're open Monday to Saturday, tapos 8 a.m. to 4 p.m.
So Sunday, syempre, close.
Sunday close, rest
Pahinga
day.
naman, no? Maraming salamat, Miss Rose.
Thank you as well.
Mabisa.